we are getting started adding 3 packets of some ramen noodles right into our baking dish. Then you're gonna take 2 cans of some tasty French onion soup and pour that all on top. One of my all-time favorites, you guys, but we are jazzing it up even more today with some ground beef. Making a one-stop shop, super budget-friendly dinner meal right here. Let's go. French onion noodle soup, some ground beef, and ooh, these ramen noodles. We are off to a great start. I'm just gonna dump the rest of that on there. Oh, beefy, delicious. Of course, we're gonna need to pair that up with some mozzarella cheese. Now, I haven't really seen this creamy melt before in the store, but we're gonna give it a whirl. I am definitely not gonna be stingy on the cheese at all. And I don't know, what do you like with your French onion? We're doing mozzarella today, but maybe you're gonna choose something different. Maybe I don't know, maybe you're gonna go with a cheddar, or maybe you're gonna go with a provolone. Let us know in the comments. This is so easy, you guys. Anyone can do this. Now check this out. I am just gonna take my foil here and grab myself a piece, which, by the way, is there a foil preference that you like? I think that the stuff that's inexpensive sometimes is too flimsy, but man, what is up with foil prices these days? I mean, seriously, I can't believe how expensive foil is. Let me know what you do. What do you do for your foil? All right, I'm gonna pop this in the oven at 350. It's gonna cook for about 20 minutes, 25, I'd say. Stick around, you're gonna love it. We are all ready around here, and I'll tell you what, the kitchen smells amazing. Now for the final reveal of the delicious goodness. Wow, look at all of that beef seeping through all of the cheese. Oh my gosh, those noodles. These look so perfect. Okay. All right, I'm gonna dig right here in. Let's see, we're gonna have, oh my gosh. Look at those noodles and all that beef. Oh, and that cheesiness. All in that French onion soup. Wow, look at that. You got a little beef, some cheese in there, some noodles. And you know what? I'm gonna just do a single serving here because David, babe, I'm gonna feed you. I mean, look, I know you couldn't wait to have this. Yeah. So let me just get a little bit in there for you. Perfect. Why don't you come over here and give this a try with me, because I think it's too good for just me. I'm gonna have to share this one.
Okay.
Okay, we are ready to dig in. And I am always grateful because David's always excited to eat my cooking, so thank you. Thank you for that. All right, we got a fork. We got some good French onion bake here with these ramen noodles. And yeah, of course, you know, you can always add more broth if you want to make it more soupy. Maybe you even do more water. I don't know. Or like I said, you could do beef broth. Okay, I'm ready for it. Ooh, it's hot.
Wow.
Home run right here.
Tastes like it's from France.
Is that where French onion soup, does French onion soup come from France? Okay, what a silly question, but you're gonna have to answer that for us in the comments. Educate us, please. We need your help. In the meantime, we're gonna be scarfing this delicious, budget-friendly, easy meal down. Let me know what you think of it in the comments, you guys. Of course, the recipe will be right there, linked in the bottom. We'll see you guys later. Enjoy.